In this video, we will talk about how to set up remote desktop on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Here, I will show you the remote of Windows 11 PC and the options for both Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC. Make sure to watch the complete video. Step 1. Enable remote desktop. For Windows 11, click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left-hand side, click on System. Scroll it down. Open Remote Desktop. Turn on Remote Desktop. Click on Confirm. For Windows 10, click on Windows icon. Open Settings. Click on System. Scroll it down. Click on Remote Desktop. Turn on Remote Desktop. Click on Confirm. Step 2. Find username and IP address. For Windows 11, click on Windows icon. Here you can see the username. It could be an email address as well. Open Settings. Click on Account. Here you will find username and email. Make sure to note it down. Now click on Network and Internet. Click on Ethernet. Now scroll it down. Here you will find the IPv4 address. Note it down. For Windows 10, click on Windows icon. Here you can see the username. It could be an email address as well. Open Settings. Select Account. Here you will find username and email. Open Settings. Click on Network Internet. Open Properties. Scroll it down. Here you can see the IPv4 address. Step 3. Connect to your PC remotely. Click in Search. Type Remote Desktop. Click on Open. Here you can see the IP address. In your case, it could be empty. Type the IP address. Click on Connect. It will ask the username and password credentials. Check the Remember Me. Click on OK. You will see another prompt. Here you can check the box of Don't ask me again for connections to this computer. Now click on Yes. So that's how you can set up remote desktop on Windows 10 and Windows 11. That's all for today. See you in the next video.